In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Netflix plan or your Netflix subscription from your phone. Now, I'm going to first show you from the Netflix app. If you open up the Netflix app, guys, as you can see right here, my Netflix, right? Let me go back out. So you're on Netflix, you click my Netflix at the bottom right there, at the bottom right there, and then you click your Netflix profile in the upper left. Then let's say you go to account, right? Under account, there is no option for you to basically upgrade your plan. You can see your current plan, but you can't upgrade it. And so what you will have to do is to go ahead and do it through your browser. So go ahead and open up whatever browser you may have. And let me go ahead and open up a new page here and just simply type in Netflix, right? We will go to Netflix. And so once you go to Netflix, you will need to sign into your Netflix account, right? Accept, click sign in, and you will need to sign into your Netflix account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address for Netflix. Once you enter your email address, go ahead and click and continue. It's going to send a code to your email. And so once you find that code in your email, you want to go ahead and enter it. In my case, this is my code, and you can see right away that it logs me into Netflix. Now I'm in Netflix, right? And so then I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page as you see there. And then instead of opening Netflix in the app, I'm going to choose to manage account right here directly from the app. And so you can see now that I'm in Netflix on my browser. And you can now see that from the browser itself, there is the option to manage membership. And so you click on manage membership. And so from here, you can change the plan. So I click on change plan. And then from here, I can basically choose whatever plan I want and proceed to upgrading the plan. And so that's it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So the important thing is that you need to sign into Netflix on your browser. Then you'll get a code. It sends to your email. You enter that code in that case, and then it will sign you in. Sometimes it triggers the app, the opening the app. If it does, just go back to the browser version and do like a refresh of the page, and you will see that it signs you in. You can choose to manage instead of opening the app. Once you do that, it will take you to this page where you can easily do it. And in case, guys, you're not seeing it like this, say for example, you can see like this. If it opens up in the app, like you're seeing right here, just go to the browser version and wherever it is in the browser version, because most times what happens is that it will trigger to open in the app. So you just go back over to the browser version and you will be able to see it. And if not, you can always click the profile in the uppermost right side. Then you will just click on account, and on the account you will see this, right? You will see manage membership, and you can manage your membership from there. And that's it.